with all due respect, they compare themselves to the sugared soft drinks. They say we are this much lesser, that much lesser sugar and calories from the soft drinks.
Correct.
But वो relative है.
हाँ.
Like आपने कहा थोड़ी देर पहले, you need to see the label, right?
100%.
You need to make a informed decision.
बिल्कुल.
So all these vitamin waters, नाम के vitamins, actually कुछ होता नहीं
आप बस लेबल देखो.
हाँ जी, आप समझ जाएंगे कि कितना उसमें डोजेज है, right?
बिल्कुल.
Plus there is sugar, there's a lot of preservatives and so on and so forth.
Yes,
So
yes.
I don't know why that exists.
Yeah.
The next is Shraddha's favorite energy drinks.
No.
No, sorry, not energy drinks. Sports drinks.
और
Sports
ये
drinks.
फेवरेट था.
हाँ जी.
बहुत टाइम पहले, ठीक है. और अब मेरा नया फेवरेट है शून्य गो because this is good for me. This is good for my health and this is not.
But I will never stop pulling your leg on this one.
I know.
So you have to live with it for
constantly
life.
keep pulling my leg.
So जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स हाइड्रेशन वाटर्स भी इंडिया में मिल रहे हैं, एक्चुअली आप देख रहे हो शक्कर कितनी है. आप सिर्फ शक्कर और वाटर पी रहे हैं आप. And it's basically full of, again, there's barely any electrolytes, right? You're drinking
Yes.
sports drinks for electrolytes,
बिल्कुल.
but there's barely any there.
Correct.
So let's move on.
Let's move on.
And the last one that I have here,
इसको मैं यहाँ पे रखती हूँ.
the last one that I have is your infamous energy drink, right? Now we all have them because I don't know why though, but everybody thinks that they do give you your energy rush. You want an energy rush, but you don't want an energy crush, do you?
No.
But that's
not
what
at all.
all the energy drinks usually do because they're full of sugar, full of chemicals and
Bilkul,
whatnot, right?
bilkul.
So I guess that's where I'm going to pick up the bottle and,
Yeah.
and borrow it
But
for a
it's
second.
mine.
It's yours
Yeah.
for sure. I'm not going to have it. I want you all to know why Shunya Go, right? Why there was a reason to have Shunya Go. So what we did is, so all the Ayurveda juices, in fact, let's play a quick game with the viewers.
Yes.
Let's find out how
Guys,
much
it's game
they
time.
understand of Ayurveda.
तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ because I'm going to play this game with all of you and let's see how much you understand Ayurveda.
So you're
Okay.
going to basically say the benefit and you need to guess what herb has that benefit,
Yes,
right? Awesome.
bilkul. So, this super herb has invaluable anti-aging properties that supports skin elasticity. What is it? So I think we're getting the answers coming in. आप अपने replies दे रहे हो. अच्छा hearts भी आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे. Thank you so much guys. ठीक है. तो if you guys have guessed it right and for those who haven't, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. कोकम. अपना कोकम. Kokum is the answer. It is the super herb that has invaluable anti-aging properties that support skin elasticity.
Super.
The next one. This super herb is a tonic for the brain. Any guesses? कौन सा super herb है जो आपके दिमाग के लिए एक tonic है? अगर आपने guess किया है, तो ये है ब्राह्मी. Now this herb increases your metabolism, helps you burn fat and stay lean. Which one is it? Can I give you all a hint? ये एक herb है. हरा. It's green tea, guys. So green tea is super good for
I'm
you.
sure a lot of people got that, right? Because
I
green tea
think so.
extracts, green tea is something that is
Yes.
now everybody is aware of.
Yes. Which super herb was also used as an aromatic root? And the answer is khas. तो guys मैं जो आपसे कह रही हूँ, जो share कर रही हूँ, ये बहुत ही important है and it's amazing for your health to know all of this information. Okay, what about the super herb that boosts both energy and immunity?
This is
अगर
world
आपने ये-
famous. This
Yes.
is actually world famous now.
अगर आपने ये सही गैस किया है तो ये है अश्वगंधा. And guys, all these beautiful herbs, all these super healthy herbs are available in our मेरा कहाँ गया bottle? हाँ, in Shunya Go. So how can you miss this? Because ये आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, आपकी सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So do yourself a favor, love yourself a little more and go and grab the Shunya Gos.
I think that was an interesting game. I wonder how many people got it right. But going back to what I was saying very quickly.
And we also educated them on some really good herbs.
You're absolutely right. And usually these herbs are, we've heard of them. Most of the younger generation want to adopt them in their lifestyle, but they don't know how to.
Yeah.
So that's what we made easy with Shunya Go, right? You don't have to
Exactly.
think twice. Just
Yeah.
pick up a bottle of Shunya Go and you have them.
Yeah.
That makes me say that let's take the Ayurveda drink out of the equation. We don't need it.
No, we don't need it.
The-
And we can I do
Yes,
those
of course.
also.
You can remove the vitamin waters and the energy drinks because usually all the vitamin waters have barely any vitamins. We've got
Be gone.
We've got 50%, Shraddha, I hope you remember. We've got 50% recommended daily allowance of all your essential
That's
vitamins
right.
in one bottle of Shunya
That is
Go.
absolutely right.
So why you don't need a vitamin water? Well, when it comes to energy, if you have super herbs with
Yes.
all those super benefits,
Yeah.
you have the vitamins. You already threw away the sports hydration
Yeah.
drink.
Yeah.
By the way, that's where my sports background come into play. We very carefully formulated Shunya Go in terms of being a sports hydration drink. We've got calcium, magnesium, zinc, and Himalayan pink salt, all at a 25% RDA in one drink.
Which is so amazing.
So that's what's helping you when you're having it on your dancing moves and while you're doing your yoga.
Exactly. And as I said, it's when you're on a path, जब आप खुद को इतना you're trying to become more healthy and you want to lead that healthy lifestyle, you want to make sure that what you're consuming is super good for you. And I have to say that my family is also very, very, very obsessed with Shunya Go. And while
You were sending a truck every week, by the way.
Yes, तो मैं ये भी शेयर करना चाहूँगी कि I've just come back from Delhi. मैं वहाँ पे शूट कर रही थी and वहाँ पे भी सिद्धेश ने मुझे ढेर सारा शून्य भेजा and I shared it with my entire film team and they all loved it. And actually, Siddesh, they couldn't believe that it has so many benefits. They were like,
Right.
what? I know we're going to get on Shunya Fizz next, but
Yes.
they were like, क्या मतलब ये मेरे लिए actually healthy है? मतलब मैं guilt free पी सकता हूँ? And I made everybody try it and everyone was super, super happy and they just couldn't believe it that it's actually good for you.
I can't believe it for the world to now know
Yeah.
that it's actually so good for you and you can have it guilt free, right?
Exactly.
In fact, this is a good time for me to have my Shunya Cola. I haven't had it in a very long time. So you were telling me that with your fizzy drinks, you've been kind of staying away from them a little bit. While you really enjoy them, but you had to stay away because of your fitness regime.
I mean, actually what happened was over time, since the past 2-3 years I would say, is जो naturally मेरे साथ हो रहा था कि मुझे हम सबको फिजी ड्रिंक्स पसंद है जो गले में वो फिजीनेस महसूस होती है हम सबको
मुझे भी हो रही
पसंद है एग्जैक्टली एंड आई आल्सो यूज्ड टू लव दोस फिजी ड्रिंक्स एंड वी नो व्हिच फिजी ड्रिंक्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पर हमें ये नहीं कौन देखता है कि what are the contents
Yeah.
of those fizzy drinks. There's aspartame and there are artificial sweeteners, there's sugar and so जब आप कंज्यूम कर रहे हो भले आपको टेस्ट आ रहा हो बट इट्स सो नॉट गुड फॉर यू एब्सोल्युटली अनहेल्दी फॉर यू सो सिद्धेश हैज गॉट मी द मोस्ट perfect solution to it where I can have my guilt free lime and lemon Shunya Fizz and I absolutely love it. So that's what happened, like that's the change that actually came about with me when I started loving myself more, respecting myself more, that I was like, nee, I don't want to have those unhealthy fizzy drinks.
Sure, makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah.
But then, like you said, right, we all love fizzy drinks.
Yeah.
And मैंने शायद 10 साल से fizzy drink नहीं पी थी. So I also had a selfish motive there, I believe. But to be honest, if you see the whole world is having sparkling water,
Yes.
there is nothing wrong in aerated water.
Yeah.
It's just that the aerated drinks in India, that have been selling for decades, have all the sugars, the artificial sweeteners like aspartames, preservatives, chemicals, and the list goes on, right?
Correct.
Every cola in India or even globally has phosphoric acid. All those
Yeah.
teeth oxidizing videos, those
Yes.
horrible things that go around social
So
media,
bad for
toilet
you.
cleaning and all that.
Yeah.
Well, we've stayed away from all those ingredients and made sure that we keep the taste, we keep the flavor, we
Yeah.
keep the fizz,
Yeah.
but we take the sugars, the artificial sweeteners, the phosphoric acids and all of that out.
Amazing.
And that's what, I mean, when we could achieve that, we had something which is a game changer, right?
Yeah.
It's a fizzy drink that is completely guilt free.
Which is
We didn't stop there.
incredible.
We didn't stop there, of course. I want, Shraddha, you to tell people that we actually have ashwagandha extracts, vitamin
Yes.
C,
Green tea
a lot of all these herbs, even in a fizzy drinks,
in a
right?
fizzy drink. Guys, can you believe we have all these herbs in a fizzy drink? I think it's a dream come true. You may think, what? This is impossible in a can, but no, it's
Made
true.
possible.
It is completely made possible, which I think is amazing.
I mean, I would love for you to tell people just two things about the artificial sweeteners, right?
Yes.
Because it's important that usually, most of the drinks that we have either are loaded with sugar or are loaded with, like, there's a reason that we have a danger sign here, right?
Yes.
That's your aspartame, your artificial sweeteners like sucralose and so on and so forth.
So bad for you. It's so bad for you. The kind of negative effects that it has on your health. It's and आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा आप अगर गूगल पे रिसर्च करो एस्पर्टेम के इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं, आपको पता चलेगा. सो गाइज प्लीज डू दैट, डू योर ओन रिसर्च. When you grab one second, wrong one.
This is
when you
cool.
grab a Shunya fizz
Right.
can,
Yeah.
you can read the label behind. You can read everything जो हमारे ingredients है वो क्या है. तो it's all out in the open for you. And I think ये जो transparency है ये बहुत बहुत important है हम सबके लिए. So yes, Google is your best friend to know all the negative impacts of artificial sweeteners of aspartame. So please go ahead and do your research.
You're absolutely right. You Google everything. Please Google this as well, friends.
Absolutely, exactly.
And even when you
exactly.
search on how this was discovered, it was actually in a chemical lab when a scientist was working on an anti-ulcer drug.
Oh my god.
It had nothing, no connection with the food and beverage industry.
Yeah.
So why don't we actually, like you're good at taking things away, so why don't you take them off? You never have to see them again.
These are going far, far away.
And hopefully for everybody else as well.
Absolutely. Choose self-love, guys. Choose self-love. That's all I can tell you. And choose to respect your health, respect your bodies, and make the right choices, because I think that especially this lockdown has made us realize how important that is. So I hope that everybody does that. And yeah, so this was basically what I wanted to share with all of you, that this is a very, very special day for me. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you everyone for being here. And yes, thank you for all the love always. And thank you for sharing this moment with us.
Should I bring out 2 more points, sir?
Yeah,
While
of
everybody
course.
is still tuned in.
Of course, of course.
So one thing that I want to tell you is, see, everybody, everybody runs for profits, and all companies run for profits, and so do we. But we
Yes.
want to do it the right way.
Yes.
We have actually taken up the challenge of everybody's health, right? And we take it
Yes.
very seriously.
Yes.
We want to not use cheap ingredients like sugar, aspartame, and the artificial sweeteners that are super detrimental to your health.
Yeah.
But use the words best grade stevia, best grade of other ingredients to give you the same fizz, the same flavor, the same, the same crave.
The sweet craving that
Correct,
we have
craving,
is fulfilled
absolutely.
with this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we've really invested a lot of time and energy in this, guys, and we have. I mean, I'm also into fitness a lot, and be rest assured, I'm very particular about what I consume. So if I'm the founder of this, you can't imagine. I've left no stone unturned to ensure that this is super safe for me, and that's why I can wholeheartedly tell you, and we can tell you all that it's absolutely good for you.
Absolutely good for you. And I have to say that I'm so proud today to be associated, and not associated, let me rephrase myself,
Yes.
to have my first partnership with Shunya. Very proud moment for me to share it with you, because ये जो beliefs है कि आप अपना ख्याल रखें, जो आप खा रहे हो, जो आप पी रहे हो, वो आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छा रहे. It's something that has gone way beyond just being a brand endorsement. Of course, brand endorsements are very special, but this is something that I really believe in it, and it is something that I wanted to be more involved with. That's why I'm super excited about this partnership, and wishing all of you amazing health. And guys, we're available in 20,000 stores across India. So there's no way that you're not going to find Shunya. So go and grab all the Shunya that you can and make the right changes in your life. Love yourself and love your health.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. It's a proudly Indian brand, and I wish we get all the support. And with your support, I'm sure we'll be kicking some cash and making sure that we are not dominated by international brands, but in fact we can actually win against them. And not only in India, but we can take Shunya global and actually fight the battle at the global world.
Absolutely, guys. Thank you
So cheers
so
to
much.
Shunya.
Cheers.
And cheers to all of you to good
Cheers.
health.
Thank you
and
guys
a lot of
so
happiness.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.